Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where spring is the perfect time to enroll in future learning opportunities for your students.
Millions of years ago, humans first learned how to harness the power of fire. Thousands of years ago, humans learned to meld metal together by creating pressure with fire during the Bronze Age. And today, some of the highest paying and most in-demand careers involve a torch that can fuse or cut metal to build the world's mightiest ships, tallest buildings, or some of the most captivating artwork ever seen. Novice welders can enter the workforce making $15 to $20 an hour, while more experienced welders can net an annual salary over $50,000. With more welders retiring each year, there are literally hundreds of thousands of openings for this in-demand skilled trade. Through the Early Career Program, high school students in Newport News Public Schools have access to advanced courses and certifications in welding during their senior year. Skilled trades are becoming more and more important in our everyday lives. Even with the world on the brink of full technological automation, it is skilled workers who make these advances possible. The Early Career Program seeks to offer students the most direct route to a successful career, while saving students money and time. Through a partnership with Virginia Peninsula Community College, high school seniors are able to take advanced welding courses while still in high school. Early career students are eligible for the welding portion of the program at the end of the first semester in their senior year, and upon successful completion of standard or advanced diploma requirements. Once eligible, the door is open for seniors to complete courses at VPCC during the spring semester. The discounted cost for tuition, textbooks, and supplies is only $200 for early career participants, saving families over $10,000 in enrollment fees. The region's best welding instructors will guide students through 5 courses, focusing on the techniques and safe operation of several welding methods, including stick welding, flux cord, and gas tungsten arc welding. Small class sizes allow more individual training in an accelerated learning environment. The experience and certifications gained here, along with job placement support, will immediately open employment opportunities for early career graduates. Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. Talk to your school counselor today for registration details. Openings for enrollment in the Early Career Program are extremely limited, while the potential for success in the welding trade is limitless. With a higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and available jobs all across the globe, you can build a bright future through the NMPS Early Career Program in welding.
A rite of passage for high school students is earning a driver's license and the opportunity to drive. Newport News Public Schools make sure that students are prepared for this important responsibility by providing excellent classroom instruction and behind-the-wheel training that focuses on safe driving attitudes, skill development, alcohol education, and appropriate responses to hazards. Students can sign up for behind-the-wheel sessions that take place throughout the school year and during the summer months. But keep in mind that before attending behind the wheel, students must have an orange card showing completion of classroom instruction, have possession of a learner's permit for at least 2 months, and have 25 hours completed on their driving log. To find out more information and to register for upcoming behind-the-wheel sessions, visit the driver education website or call.
Children in Newport News have the opportunity to begin their academic journey with a high-quality learning experience that sets them on a pathway of continued success. Preschool is a free program for eligible 4-year-olds in Newport News Public Schools that offers young students the opportunity to develop social, emotional skills and build a strong foundation for learning as they take their first steps to becoming college, career, and citizen ready. Newport News Public Schools offers full-day preschool at 4 sites across the city, making this program accessible for all families. Military-connected students have direct access to preschool with classes at General Stanford Elementary, located on Fort Eustis. Bus transportation to and from all zone schools is offered at no cost for families. A nutritious breakfast and lunch are also offered to all students. Preschool in Newport News Public Schools offers young learners a meaningful early childhood experience through joyful and developmentally appropriate learning opportunities. Through hands-on learning, indoor and outdoor play, small group instruction, story time, and rotational centers like dramatic play and blocks, preschool cultivates a love for learning while allowing children to just be children. Play-based learning activities within a structured curriculum allow children to explore fun topics while helping students learn the basic concepts of literacy, math, social studies, and science. Provided iPads for each student expand opportunities while allowing preschoolers to familiarize themselves with technology-enhanced learning. Each classroom is staffed by highly trained teachers and instructional assistants, allowing every student to receive the personal care and individual focus they need at a young age. Teachers emphasize social, emotional development through opportunities like taking turns, sharing with others, and discussing ways to control and express emotions. And fun learning options move beyond the classroom, with evening events for the whole family, field trips, resources to reinforce learning at home, and unique opportunities with community partners. Preschool is not a requirement for advancement to kindergarten, but it allows young students to gain the skills and understand the behaviors and expectations at an early age for academic and social success through elementary school and beyond. While there are eligibility requirements to be accepted into preschool, Newport News Public Schools highly encourages all interested families to apply. To learn more details, review eligibility requirements, or submit an application, visit the NNPS preschool website for more information.
Want to make a real impact? Newport News Public Schools is hiring teachers, bus drivers, instructional assistants, custodians, and more. With competitive pay, great benefits, and professional development opportunities, you can enjoy a rewarding career. No experience? No problem. Receive training to help you grow. In the classroom, on the road, or keeping our schools running smoothly, every employee is important for student success. Work here. Apply online today to start making a difference.
The first full week in April, April 7th through 11th, is spring break. Schools and offices will be closed for the entire week. On Monday, April 14th, students do not report to school to allow teachers to have a full day of planning. Have a fun and safe break. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In, and check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.